For the first time, 6th graders used CAD software and 3D printers to create digital and physical models for their biomimicry project. They used new printers, which are small and simple enough for them to be placed in classrooms, and allowed students to watch their process. Punavision went to the other side of campus to learn more about their exciting new project.
This project started 3 years ago. The administration for the junior school had asked teachers to incorporate more open-ended inquiry learning and inquiry projects into our curriculum, where that project also hopefully in some way relates to or tries to solve a real-world problem. We went on a field trip with the 6th grade faculty to the Hawaii Nature Center, and the topic they introduced to the students was biomimicry. Biomimicry is studying nature and applying nature's solutions to human problems. Last year, Mrs. Kobayashi made the suggestion to incorporate the 3D computer-assisted design program, or CAD, called Tinkercad. And so we incorporated that into the project so that every student has to create a 3D design of what their product idea would look like.
So what we did was, I thought, wouldn't it be a really authentic use of CAD design on the computer if the children were able to CAD the product that they created. I thought, wouldn't it be great if they could actually get their pieces printed? Justin Lai came up with a wonderful idea to use Polar 3D printers, which are brand new printers designed for the classroom use.
3D printing is a type of technology that allows you to take whatever sort of 3D model you have that you've made in that same software that the 6th grader used, that being Tinkercad, and actually then 3D print it. And one way to think about 3D printing is 3D printing is just two-dimensional printing over and over and over again.
And it just goes one layer at a time, melting one layer at a time until the final piece is put together.
Specifically, Tinkercad is very easy to learn and easy to use because they give you the basic shapes and you are tasked with adjusting the dimensions, changing the proportions, and then positioning the pieces so that you either add or subtract the volumes. And you're able to come up with really intricate designs that can then be 3D printed. And that's essentially what the 6th graders did.
And each pair of students presented their sales pitch to the audience of their classmates. All 48 students were in the audience. And so we had 24 sales pitches. And then I gave all of them investment ballots where I gave them a fictitious $10,000 and they could invest in whoever's ideas they thought had the most promise.
What is very exciting about this biomimicry project is it is truly an authentic way to include CAD design into a curriculum. We're not just learning how to CAD just to CAD. We're learning how to CAD because it has a definite purpose, a definite meaning, and strong educational objectives for the children and their learning.